Hello everyone, Happy New Year. My name is Soino. Hope you all are well and healthy. Welcome to another video in the village. I spent my New Year's at my mother-in-law's place. Where did you all spend your New Year's and how was it? My mother-in-law gifted us a goat to usher in the new year. I have learned so many new skills here in the village, like skinning the goat as I am doing. We'll make many delicious meals using the goat. Life in the village is so fun and slow-paced. The goat wasn't that big. We picked a small one so that the meat could be tender. My husband helped me cut through it and remove the intestines. This is what we have in the inside: the lungs, the pancreas, liver, kidneys, large and small intestines, and so on. We cut the goat into two pieces, one that we'll have now with the guests and the rest we'll make later. My husband wanted to enjoy the head and the legs, so this is what I was doing here. I wanted to skin the head and also the legs. He said that it was a technique that he learned from the Middle East. I have seen many people just burning the fur and then washing it clean, then later boiling it. That's also delicious, but try this and it will also come out nicely. The process of skinning the head takes a little bit more time because you have to take keen notice of places like the eyes, the mouth, the nose, so that you don't leave any fur when cooking it. So let's do this with you guys. I finished the head and set it aside, and now I'm on the legs. The legs won't take time because they're so small and it's just one process. It doesn't need a lot of things to do. The skinned goat legs look somehow like chicken legs. Look at the other goats that are grazing in the beautiful lush green land. The rains just came and made wonders. I couldn't believe that there is a time that this place could be this green. Everything is grown. The bushes are now very green. The goats can graze and eat everything. God is truly a creator. I finished the skinning and now let's wash it clean, because as I was skinning, some of the fur went to the meat and we don't want that in our food. So let's clean it thoroughly, wash everywhere, because these goats feed on grass, they feed on thickets and everything green, and you don't want that in your stomach. So that's what you're doing here. I was cleaning the tongue thoroughly inside the mouth, the teeth, and for the first time, I saw a goat with very clean front teeth. But I just had to clean all of them to be sure that I did a perfect job so no one can complain of stomach upsets. So this is how the goat head looks like after skinning it. I don't know if you've ever seen something like this. Tell me down on the comment section if you've ever seen a goat head being skinned like I have done, and tell me if it was skinned, did you enjoy it? There are different recipes of cooking it. In the future, I'll do the ones whereby we cook it in a tandoori oven and see how it comes out. I prepared the fireplace where I'll be cooking, added more firewood, and then placed my favorite pot. I love this pot so much because it cooks my food very well. I wanted this meal to be very simple, cooked with minimal spices and natural ingredients. So I added just salt, the green onions, garlic, and water and let it boil. I let it boil for close to 3 hours, and this was exactly what we wanted. The meat was full out the bone. The goat legs were just looking like drumsticks. Remember when I told you they were looking like chicken legs after skinning them? And right now, after they boiled, they were looking like drumsticks. I don't know if my eyes were the ones playing tricks with me, thinking that I wanted chicken, but they really looked like drumsticks. And this was so good. Look at how the bones are falling off. Don't their legs look like drumsticks? Tell me down on the comment section. I removed the meat out of the bones and they were so tender. That was so easy and fun to make, and the food tasted so good. Just salt, garlic, and the green onions, and it came out so perfectly. And the soup, we just added a little bit of chilies, and that was so epic. We enjoyed the food, and that was it for the day. Bye. We shall try again tomorrow.